At a common platform event in Nong Thmai yesterday, candidates discussed key issues such as strengthening the district council, fair recruitment and protection of indigenous communities. Here are detailed one.
Began the Indian Constitution. Congress candidate Alan Victor Lyngdoh raised concerns over influx and stressed that the district council is vital to protect indigenous people. He also called for a transparent recruitment policy in KHADC, pointing out the lack of advertised vacancies and so on.
Nakali ni para MDC kibidai, kibla long time kita ke MDC, kibla mikmat, ong sir, ngamatala sa pusnem tam, kampat judan kawi kasien. Bahkan district council kan advertise kan kono post. Bun ki post kitan hapo jong ke district council. Ketadan kam banda peni banda long ka penpau pat ba.
Winston Tony Lyngdoh of the Voice of the People's Party advocated for clean governance, highlighting the importance of protecting indigenous customs and practices through bold leadership and authentic research.
Ngako aban kintulang yang barok ki badan hakani karensan. Bahkan mau ngidai ki khun jong gani ka snong nong thmai ba e jongi ngila he la san ha gani ka snong ga jongi bat dai gani ka snong ka bala pen prang ya ka jingmut jing perkhat ka jonga ka jongpi dai gani ka snong ka bala ai ngi ka jing hikai mai ya le ka shu bat ka lawai jong ki khun ki jonga ki jongpi ha gani ka snong mai ya le ka shu bat ki lawai jong ki khun ki jongi bat ki nong shong snong ki ba e ki jongi ha gani ka nong thmai constituency.
Other speakers also highlighted local issues included Felet Denner Ringsai from BJP and Desmond K. Lyngdoh Maulong from UDP.
Ngelebiat kalti bangi biang pakano hat kecige kadon pring jongi Tenganyo ni kalani banyakun banong kortong MDC banga hongi balaringi poi katongi ngin penda pajungkular bagi bana do menswa hado mentangin penda beka
Kongkajat meriau ngisto don bok sikadaya bangi don ya kaneka 6 schedule akhrendir ke bahan riau balapun kubwa dakariti sensyar jongkari India mana kalian kajongi kongkajat meriau di ban soklo di ban penne pensa ban penjalai ya kaneka Kendit ya kanika 16 kastia ka institution ka pengadon ha kanika jela ka bagitam ka jongi.
The event provided a platform for candidates to address key issues affecting the district council and the protection of indigenous rights, highlighting their commitments to governance, reform and transparency. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.